Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Lovable and Tempo. Lovable is an AI-powered app builder that helps you create web apps simply by using natural language prompts. You can type in what you want and Lovable automatically generates the structure, design, and even deployment of your app. It also includes a live editor where you can visually adjust your project and, if needed, switch to a developer mode to edit the code directly. Lovable works well with backends like Supabase and services such as Stripe, making it easy to set up authentication, payments, and databases. Many users like how fast it is for building prototypes and MVPs, as it allows them to launch simple apps in minutes. However, the free plan is limited, and as a project gets more complex, users often run into bugs or loops that require extra debugging and credits. Tempo, on the other hand, is an AI app building tool designed specifically around React. It combines a visual drag-and-drop editor with real React code, so everything you build is production-ready. Designers can use Figma files and Tempo will turn them into code, while developers can edit directly in GitHub or VS Code. It also supports integrations like Supabase, Stripe, and Storybook, making it great for teams who want a seamless design-to-code workflow. Users highlight how Tempo saves times, with some saying they build dashboards in minutes instead of days. It also allows real-time collaboration between designers and developers, which make it stand out. Still, it's mostly limited to React, and some reviewers noted that its advanced plans are quite expensive. A few also mentioned issues with customer support, especially for enterprise customers. Overall, Lovable is best for non-coders or small teams that want to quickly test out ideas and launch MVPs without much technical effort. Tempo, however, is more suitable for professional teams who are already working with React and want a faster, AI-powered way to turn designs into functional apps. If speed and simplicity are your priority, Lovable is a strong choice. But if you need the scalability and a professional React development, Tempo is a better option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.